Hey Stunning fan, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today we are going to be working on a baby hand and footprint kit. This kit included a photo frame, 2 frame cutouts, a small rolling pin, baby safe air dry clay, an alphabet and number mold, and double-sided tape. For the first step, we got out the baby safe air dry clay and started rolling it around to create a ball. We placed the ball in the middle of the photo frame and used the small rolling pin to roll it out evenly in the rectangle photo frame slot. We received this kit as a gift from one of my old co-workers. This is a really special gift for 2 reasons. One, it's a way for us to make memories with Bailey and create this with her. And 2, it's a keepsake that we can keep forever. Walking away from this project, I would recommend waiting until your baby's older to do this project with them. Our baby was squirming a lot and she kept scrunching her hand, so it did make it really difficult to get the handprint in the clay. After creating the handprint in the footprint, we did cut all of the numbers and alphabet off of the palette that it came with, and we used the double-sided tape to secure the letters next to each other so that the transfer process would be super easy. Lastly, we set the mold aside, let it dry for 4 days, and then the pictures were ready to be inserted. We hope that you all enjoyed this video, and we will see you next week. Take care.